Hey, what up? This is Eddie04, and today we'll learn how to set up our Nintendo Pro Controller and our Android device. Now, as you know, I don't play mobile games, actually. Anyways, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Nintendo Pro Controller on your Android device. Now, on this tutorial, we'll be using a OnePlus 6T. There are newer versions like the 8T, 7T, whatever. You can use actually any other Android device, but that's the one that I have for today. I believe that it has enough raw power to be able to play any game on that mobile phone. If you're interested in getting this phone or any of the other devices that I recommend in this video, you can go ahead and check the links in the description below. Now, the very first step actually to set up your Nintendo Pro Controller and an Android device is actually to smash that like button. Now we can dive into the game. Okay, so it's really straightforward. Now that I have my OnePlus 6T here, I'm gonna go ahead and add the Nintendo Pro Controller connected to Bluetooth. Now in this case, I don't have an OTG cable. I don't have a USB-C to USB-C cable. So I'm gonna do this through Bluetooth. Actually, it's really straightforward as well. So what you wanna do is go in and take your Nintendo Pro Controller, and you will press the pairing button, which is all the way up here in the top, just right beside the USB-C connector. You're going to press that button, and in the meantime, you're going to also go to your Android phone and click on pair new device. So when you do that, actually it's in search mode. You're going to go ahead and choose the Pro Controller. Just give it a couple of seconds and that should be straightforward. It will ask if you want to pair it. You say yes. Now this is a little bit odd because the Pro Controller will always show like if it's searching. I don't know if you can see here, but the colors or the light here are constantly moving because it's trying to connect to something. But at that stage is already connected. So how you know that this actually works is because on your Android phone you'll see that you have currently connected a Pro Controller. I tested this out with another PS4 controller. It's actually an older version of the PS4 controller, and it won't stay connected. So as long as it's under the currently connected devices and you have your controller there, same thing as with the Xbox wireless controller, then you can use this. And from here it's really straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and open up another game that I have here, which is Sonic the Hedgehog. And as you can see, it's taking the Pro Controller. Oh. Ads. So as you can see, now I'm taking the Nintendo Pro Controller, and without touching the screen, I can wow. Now definitely there is some kind of input lag with the Nintendo Pro Controller compared to my previous. Now there's definitely some input lag with the Nintendo Pro Controller compared to my previous video, which is up here, setting up your Xbox wireless controller on your Android device. Oh snap. This lag is killing me. Hope you liked the video. This was Eddie04, and today we'll learn how to set up our Nintendo Pro Controller on our Android device. Now, if you're interested in more videos like this, you can go ahead and check any of these videos here. This was Eddie04. See you on the next one.
Let's get out of here. Let's go. What the? Come on. Let's go. Please, stay back.
Hey, what up? This is Eddie04, and today we're going to learn how to